What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today we had another tight, kind of rangy trading day after the morning move on a decreasing volume. I think that's important to note. Are we running out of exhaustion here? I don't know. Are we also kind of building out a little bit of a flag here after this run up? I mean, it's very possible we are up above this old little balance that we kind of built out here. So overall, we've bounced back up in near highs. Nothing to be cause of concern, like there's some new bear trend out there, but that doesn't mean we can't pull back. So into tomorrow, let's check what we got. Jobless claims comes out 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1 hour before the market opened. That's all we really have to worry about. Have a 4 and 8 week bill auction. Don't think that'll really move the market much. A couple of knuckleheads are speaking. So just be cognizant of that, but I really don't think they have much to say. Let's go to the charts here now. I mean, we can see everybody's been drawing this, right? Golden pocket retracement on ES is a little bit higher, 52, 54. I would like to look to take a short up there at about 52.45 to about 52.50. Only reason why, huge daily supply here, right? Pretty simple. Huge daily supply. Let's talk about levels I'd look to long on any pullbacks. We knew 51.90 from the video yesterday was our area. 51.60, right, to about 51.50. This little pocket in here. I wouldn't mind seeing if we can grab a long-sided trade in here. Down here, should we get there, right? Should we get there? It makes sense. Kind of started to pull back here, get a little bit of weakness. So let's see what happens. Under 51.90 is also a little bit of a short setup that would take you about 30 points lower. So I do like that trade there as well. But as for right now, as long as 51.90 holds, great. We're gonna target about 51.50 underneath that should we get there. NQ chart, let's go to the daily. Where do we bounce from? Go figure, right? 18,050. I mean, we got 18,072, right? But we knew this was a zone that we wanted, right? So we had some nice NQ longs, able to capitalize on those. But as of right now, same thing, kind of pulling back here, holding its 50 SMA here on the daily. I like it. Same thing here, though, 18,000. Really don't want to get much below that, right into this 18,000 zone. So look to for a bounce trade long there. If not, we're going to go a little bit lower. Like 70,750, 70,800. But unless we take out the highs, right? Unless we take out the highs, we'll be looking for potential pullback here on the NQ chart as everyone's been doing. As everyone's been doing, we can do just a Fibonacci retracement just to see, how this is shaping up here. 18,367. I got 18,350. So that's a zone. You guys see huge rejection there. So watch this area for sellers to step in. Should we get long and strong to the upside? Can't deny this is starting to look like a flag on decreasing volume, though. So let's see how far this pullback goes. It'll let us know, right? It'll let us know kind of the temperature for the remainder of the month. As far as if we break back down below, we could easily come back down to the bottom of the balance zone. So let's see how tomorrow plays out for a SPY guy. Can't deny zero volume. 518. We know that's a big level, right? Oop. Sorry. We know this is a big area, right? That perfect golden zone retrace with that yellow line, 78.6. All you Fibonacci peeps out there. So tomorrow's quite simple. We either break and hold 518 to the upside, we get long and strong to 521, or we reject, and I'm going to target this gap here on the daily, 512.55. We can see we have the 8 and 50, 8 EMA, 50 SMA on the daily, all for confluence there. So I'd like this gap fill bounce here on SPY, like the long 512.55. Should we get down there? QQQ. I mean, we're staring at a massive gap on the daily. I would favor a bounce down here, 433. If we can't get through this 442, okay, look out below 433. I'm going to look for a bounce on the daily there. We can see that is the gap fill on QQQ. Should we get through 442 to the upside, break and hold? Sure thing. 4 points of upside, 5 points of upside. Love the trade to the upside. Just have to break and hold, show that buyers are strong enough to get through that area. Last but not least, showed a little bit of how I was thinking this might play out. Not quite as clean, right? But we'd had a gap down to have a nice, very nice bounce back on up higher. So a little bit of, I would say, messiness, if you will, here on IWM. But the fact they didn't sell it off the hell today was also kind of a tell. We've got another gap here on the daily. I'm still favoring if we can't get back above 204 to come down here, grab this liquidity first, close the gap, then likely come back and try this area on this gap here at 204 to about 204.50. So ideally, if we reject this zone, look for a bounce down here. 204, I'd like the gap to fill. See, right? We have this old balance zone right here kind of playing out. Let's see if we can get this bounce down and then come and attack this gap here. Now, if we open up or gap up above 204, hey, all bets off, right? Looked along the gap, looked along the gap fill to the upside there. And guys, other than that, that is all I got for you. As usual, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.